What's up? Shorty a fatty. Shorty a fatty.
You can't do it.
Have you ever been at a party and didn't know what to play on guitar? Kia ora, I'm Uncle Jack, and today I'm going to be showing you the 4 chords to play any song. Any song! So our first chord is there on the 5th fret. I think that's a D minor. Next one is a B right there, same as there. Third one is just up from that one there on the 8th fret, and then next one's there. And then you just put it together like that, and you're away. Someone give me a song.
Yeah, keep going, Jack.
Yeah.
I love my boy love with buttered bread. Chucking the dough, boys. Salt and pepper on top of the head. Ooh, mean as, so mean. Meaning when you add a little bit of cream, it's too Mickey. Way too Mickey, way too Mickey. Then his mom's, ooh. Sorry.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water?
It's like, why did you just get these freaking? Because they're actually pretty good.
We've had a lot of
Mister, can't you see? Sometimes the world just ain't so long to me.
Yeah, I got you. Hush, words are spoken, promises are broken, all homes are open, and love walks out that door. Too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
Corona.
Oh, what's that long?
What's up? Shorty a fatty. Shorty a fatty.
You can't do it for that.
Yeah.
She my little blue thing, and Shorty got the fatty.
Shorty getting the mood swings. Throw it out the road. Keep it undercover.
Stop being silly now. Cut that. Cut it out.
Cut it.
And there you have it. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. That's all the chords you need. Anyway, I'll see you at your next Uncle's Garage Party. Kia ora.